tell NRM people the 4 words. Number 1, peace.
Andurika ijo ambogo rikijo sudiki namba lusi desi ibe.
Number 2, development.
Namba irisi ango silengoni.
Number 3, wealth.
Namba nasi aicho maluso ingoni.
And number 4, jobs.
Namba su aicho aziku sule uvingos.
So this is what I want all our families. Now for the fish farming in the Nile Valley, we shall have to bring equipment and help you to dig the fish ponds because they are a bit expensive, but we can help you dig them.
Dedro angozi meritiga rakega ibi batambanga amu machine ezikejile mopi bu ibi tambanga dikeje bere anga berki amu kejile kimbada kezako.
But even here on the plateau, because in Koboka I saw some people had fish ponds, we can also support them.
The flag bearers are receiving their flags. That is Honorable Avako receiving our flag.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.